a lot of people like to call humans a cancer upon the planet. We're just the sick virus that kills everything else. And now researchers from the Pacific Northwest Research Institute in Seattle have kind of verified that in a new report which says we humans seem to have literally spread a contagious form of cancer around the world. The cancer is a type that affects muscles, and it's transmissible. Most cancers arise from mutations in the cells of a host on their own, but there are some forms of cancer that are actually transmissible, or passed from host to host. That kind of cancer has been found to be passed around in dogs and Tasmanian devils, and now it's been found in these mussels. It used to be found only in one species in the northern hemisphere, but the researchers say they've now found it in another species of mussels in the southern hemisphere of the planet, and the only explanation they have is that humans spread it there. What happens is that the sick mussels release cancer cells into the water, which float in the current until other animals suck it up when filtering for food, and then they get sick. The cancer was first found in mussels on the Pacific coast of Canada, but then they started seeing it in France. And then research teams in South America reported finding it off the coasts of Chile and Argentina, where as many as 13% of the mussels there were found to be sick. When the researchers studied the cells of the mussels in France and in South America, they found that they had the same contagious cancer as the mussels found in Canada. So the researchers set about trying to figure out how these cells crossed the equator and traveled to different oceans, as currents would have prevented that from happening. The only explanation they could possibly come up with was that the sick mussels were transported on a ship and were able to spread the cancer to the new region once they got there. All it would take is one sick mussel. So it seems very likely that's how it happened. Humans shipped the cancer around the world. The researchers also say that humans have played a hand in shipping transmissible cancer to dogs around the world too. So, if you're one of those people who like to call humans a cancer upon the planet, congratulations. Now you have a scientific study to back you up. Personally, I don't care what you call us. I happen to love our beautiful, wacky species and hope we stick around for as long as we can.